Hey, this is a DIY video on replacing your overhead garage light. This is the light I'm gonna install here. It's nice and thin. One of the things I see right off the bat is gonna be a challenge is there's a electrical line going across there up to the garage door. So I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with that. Probably not a good idea to go over it. So looks like the only option there is to undo some of those staples on that electrical line and maybe sneak around the light, the new LED. So I think that's the approach I'm gonna take. Okay, first thing to do is kill the power. So if you're gonna do this, put a piece of tape over it so nobody can come along and do that while you're working on it. So the best thing to do is turn it off at the breaker. So I'm just gonna pull these out with the needle nose. Okay, that's not too bad. All right, that garage opener line's out of the way now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go for those two bolts right there on either side of that light bulb. Take these out of there. I'm gonna put to release this, I'm gonna stick something down in that hole right there and the wires will pull out. Yeah, so to get those wires out, I just took a small screwdriver and pushed in on that and the wires popped out. All right, for wiring, I'm gonna stick with the same color coding system. So here's my wiring configuration for this. I got black and white. So I'm gonna stay with the same color coding scheme. This is kind of nice. See if I can find a place to attach that. I like that. See, this is nice. This is the mounting fixture. So go ahead and put that up. And then what happens is these clips, it'll rotate in through the clips like that. So obviously first I'm gonna get this mounted before I do any wiring because I gotta come up through that hole. Hey, one important thing to note is when you're installing this, that goes like that. You don't want to install it like that. All right, I got it secured. Okay, there we go. All set. I had to go red to black, I'll show you. Okay, here's my setup. I just went black to black. And then from the light, red to red, red to black. Ground, white stayed there, ground, two reds for the switch to the black on the light, and then just did my black to black. Okay, now I'm just gonna turn the breaker back off and then tuck the wires up in there. All right, much better. There we go. Just gotta put that garage door opener line, tack it back up and it'll be done. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.